Hey loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So happy to have you here. Today we're going to do an e.l.f. video. e.l.f. has sent over some of their really cute holiday sets, so I'm here to share those with you. So thank you so much to e.l.f. for gifting these to me. We're just going to go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We do beauty, plus size fashion, food videos, vlogs, stuff like that. If you're into it, you're in the right place. Subscribe. Let's be friends. All right, let's do this. Okay, I've got this lovely box. I did pick these out of their gift sets myself. So all of these are things that I thought were cool. So I'm just going to pull them out and show you what I picked out. Okay, so they're currently running a 40% off for Beauty Squad members on orders over $30. Oh my goodness, and 25% off for non-members. So that's an amazing Black Friday sale. It's literally going on right now, so it should be going on. I'm putting this video up tomorrow, so I'm sure, considering it's not Black Friday yet, that's going to still be going on. Crazy good deals. I will put the prices of everything on the bottom of the screen so you can kind of have an idea. The one that I'm going to scoot in so I can really show you. This is the one that I am most excited for. So it's the Diamond Darling Liquid Eyeshadow Vault. It comes with some of their glitters and some of their like liquid eyeshadows, which I've used. I think I've only used the glitters. I haven't used the liquid eyeshadows, so I'm super excited to try this guy out. I'm just going to go ahead and look up the price because I feel like that's just going to be better for you guys. So this before any discount is $35. So if you are a Beauty Squad member, you're going to get 40% off of that, or just 25% off if you just pop on over to the e.l.f. website and check it out. Of course, everything is linked down below in the description box for you. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of these. That is such a good deal because these are normally like $5 each. I love them. I have used them. I'm just going to go ahead and pop it open. So I'm pretty sure it looks like you get 5 of the glitters and 5 of the liquid eyeshadows. I'm just going to swatch a few of them for you. Let me see. Is this my favorite bean? Disco Queen, you guys. I bought this and used the entire thing. I don't think I've ever used an entire glitter ever, but Disco Queen, you guys, I use this thing nonstop. It is so, so good. I have a cat scratch on my hand, so I'm sorry about that. But you can see it right there. And of course, you can kind of smudge it out. I love these so much. They are definitely a dupe of the more high-end ones for only $5, or you can get a ton in this little set. This is probably my most used, most favorite. But let's see. I don't think I own this gold one, which I'm pretty excited about. Flirty Birdie is such a classic, like kind of champagne-y glitter shade. Oh, it's so good. If you remember Steal a Kitten, it reminds me of that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So pretty. I honestly own, I think, I own a lot of these glitters, but again, I don't own any of the liquid shadows. Oof, what other one? I gotta scratch a swatch. Sometimes I speak and I don't know what's happening. I have to swatch this gold one, which is 24 karat gold. Oh, they're so pretty, you guys. So stinking pretty. So they just go on as a liquid. I'm sure a lot of you know that. And then they just dry down to a glitter. Let me swatch some of the liquid eyeshadows for you too. This one is Big Dipper. So it's like a coppery shade. This would be fun to do a look with. Oh, these are so pretty. There's the copper one down there. You can see it's got like a nice metallic sheen to it. Heck yeah. This looks gorgeous and right up my alley. This is Moon. It's even called Moon, you guys. It looks a lot like that one that like Flirty Birdie, but without the glitter. So if you aren't into glitter and you just want a metallic sheen, this one in Moon, yes, girl. Ugh. They're all so beautiful. They're all crazy metallic. You've got lots of neutral shades with some pops of color in here. Nothing too dramatic. It's definitely a very wearable vault. So this honestly is my favorite thing that they put out this year. I think it would be a great gift for any makeup lover out there. It's so versatile. But if you just want to treat yourself, girl, I'm probably going to keep this one for myself, to be real with you. TBH, it's a good one. All right, next we have this little set of brushes and sponges. Okay, there you go. Now you can kind of see it. So this guy right here is a lower price gift. This is only $15. Oh, it says right on it. Sorry, guys. Get an eyebrow duo brush, a fluffy eye blender, a complexion duo brush, an eyeshadow C brush. Ooh, that fluffy blender looks beautiful. And then you get a total face sponge and a camo concealer sponge, which I have not used e.l.f. face sponges. So I'm actually pretty excited to try out this little kit and for that price. And again, remember that you can get 25 to 40% off right now on the e.l.f. website. That's insane. Again, anything I can find will be down in the description box for you guys. That's going to be, if you're looking for a gift for a makeup lover and you don't have a lot of money, this is going to be a golden one. Also, e.l.f. does free shipping all the time. It's usually free shipping over 25. So definitely easy to stay under budget with e.l.f. and get a good gift. Next, we have this little Jelly Pop gift set. This again is only $15, and of course, you can save 25 to 40% off depending on your status on the e.l.f. website. It comes with the Dew Primer, which I'm obsessed with, a little travel size, which is great. That's a really, really good primer. One of my all-time faves. one of my all-time favorite primers, honestly. And then there's the Face and Eye Gloss in Icy Pop, which I have never used, and I'm really excited to try. And then the Juicy Gloss in Cherry Pop. Let's pop this little, let's pop, pop, pop. Ooh, I'm so excited to see what this is. I assume, oh, you guys, she is a gloss. And it's not going to probably set down because it's a gloss, but I'm just going to, ooh, it's so pretty though. You could use this as a highlight. You can put it on your eyes if you want to. It's right here. You could always use it as a base too if you want to like really make your highlight pop. That's honestly what I'll probably use it for. I do feel like it might break up on your eyes, but that's not, I don't know. I've never really been into a gloss, but I wanted to try it because you honestly never know, and what a better way to try it than in this super affordable kit. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And again, I haven't tried this cherry, the Juicy Gloss, but the Dew Primer, 10 out of 10. Ooh, okay. I got confused for a minute and I was like, why is it so expensive? They have this in a full size. This is the mini skincare hit kit. The full size skincare hit kit, which is full sizes of all of these products, is going to be $37, but this one is only $15. You guys, that is crazy. I have been looking forward to trying this skincare from e.l.f. I haven't tried any of these ones. They're all the ones that are hemp-derived cannabis sativa seed oil products with a little bit of hydration. So you get a Puff Buff primer, a Happy Hydration cream. You've got the Calm Balm and the All the Feels facial oil. I have heard such good things about this line. People have been loving it. Yeah, so I think it's just, they're kind of like their basic products, but with an added, you know, goodness is what I'm assuming. Like maybe it's a completely different formula. I don't know, but I like their basic, like their regular skincare products that they have. So I have a feeling I'm going to really like this one. And again, for $15, that is such a crazy good price. Oh my goodness. Anyone that like wants a little bit of skincare in your life, this would be a great product for. That's awesome. So sorry that I can't really swatch the stuff that is like this, but I think this is so great. I mean, a facial oil can be used with your foundation, under your foundation. You can use it at night. Facial oils are really great for kind of sealing in your skincare. So you can always put that on last to kind of like keep your face hydrated and keep that skincare in there. I'm excited to try the Puff Puff Primer, all of this. And the Calm Balm, I don't know, that sounds cool. So this looks awesome too. e.l.f.'s killing it with these holiday gifts. Ooh, these I am excited for. This guy says right on the package how much it is. So this one is $20. This is their Blinding Lights No Smudge Shadow Set. I don't think I've even used their shadow sticks like this, so I'm excited to see. Let's swatch some. I have a feeling I'm going to really, really like this one. Does it say what it is? Champagne Crystal, which looks like a champagne shade. It's right there. I expected a little bit more of a punch, but it's just a shadow stick. You can use it on your inner corner. You can use it as a base. You can use it as is. I like that they're no budge, so that means they're going to stay in place. Let's try the other ones. That one's just really close to my skin tone. Let's get this BB out of here. I mean, it's a very neutral kit. I think they did really good making their kits very like gift friendly, where they're very common shades, neutral shades, but stuff that people are going to really use. This one is Bronze Metal. So Bronze Metal, you can oh, that's gorgeous. Imagine like a bronze smoky eye with that. Yes, please. Yes, please. That's gorgeous. Rose gold. Okay, let's see. That's pretty. Rose gold right here. Perfect Pearl. Let's see what that one looks like. Oh, that one's beautiful. Look at that. That one packs a punch there. Okay, that's gonna be the perfect inner corner highlight too. Oh, love it, love it, love it. If you've used these, let me know what you guys think in the comments. So this is the last guy we've got. This one is $35, but again, with the Black Friday sale, you can get either 25% off or 40% off of this. There are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That makes sense. It says right on there, 10 matte lip colors. I don't think they sell these just as is. I think it's like a special kit thing. I noticed that Tea Rose is in here, and Tea Rose is one of my absolute favorite lip shades, like of not only from e.l.f. but like of all time. And I'm pretty sure they took it out of the matte lip color. I don't think they make it anymore, like the liquid lip color. Ooh, I didn't realize they were like these long ones. So pretty. Oh, they all look like such wearable colors. So you get nudes and berries and stuff like that. Swatch Praline, honestly. Ooh, girl, that is a shade for me. Yes, so that one is Praline. Swatch Praline. Let's do Tea Rose so I can show you guys what I'm obsessed with. I know a lot of you guys know what Tea Rose is, but it's just like the most perfect dusty pinky nude. Oh, it's so good. It's right there. Oh, it's so good. Let's do Natural. So Natural is a nice kind of a pinky nude. It's a little bit more mauve than Tea Rose, if that makes sense. Like a lighter mauve than Tea Rose. All three of those look absolutely like my type of shade. Next, we're gonna swatch Dash of Pink. Right there is Dash of Pink. Next, I have Rowdy Rouge, which looks like a warm red. Yep, an orangey red. That's gonna be a lot of fun for holiday. Rich Red looks more like a blue-based red, so probably more of my type of jam. I'm swatching these with my left hand, so just give me a break. These are actually better swatches than I normally do, so we'll just go with it. Right there. Next we have Wine, which is down here. That's gonna be really beautiful. Ooh, what is this one? This one is Mulberry Maven. This might be fun. Let's see what this one looks like. Down there. These are gorgeous. Look at the pigment on these. Berry Sorbet. Right there. That one is beautiful. And then we have one left, which is Scarlet Night. Whoa. That was very nice swatch, Shannon. Very nice swatch. Obviously, that darkest one right there, but there's the kit right there. Lots of super fun wearable shades, not only for like every day, but also for holiday. This is a really good kit and for a really good price. What would that even be? Let me see. If you just join the e.l.f. Beauty Squad, and then you would get 40% off. $21 if you are part of the e.l.f. Beauty Squad. Otherwise, it is $26.25 for 10 lip colors. So they're like $262. And that's if you just get the 25% off, not even the 40% off. So yeah, that's what those look like. All right, love. So that is all of the sets that e.l.f. sent over. Thank you again to e.l.f. for gifting these to me. I am a huge e.l.f. fan. e.l.f. is vegan and cruelty-free. Obsessed. Super affordable, great quality. I am always a big fan of e.l.f. I will make sure to link all of these down below. It'd be in the world if you could use those links in the description box. No pressure if you don't want to. It just helps e.l.f. know that I sent you, and I do earn a very small commission. And I would love to keep working with e.l.f. because I love e.l.f. So I'd be pumped. Definitely check these guys out. Again, check out that Black Friday sale. Such crazy good deals. All right, loves. I think that is everything. Let me know where you want to see some gift sets from next, where you're thinking, what kind of gift guides you want this holiday season, and I will try to get them together for you. Okay, I think that's everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye.